on the basis of constitution, we can fight, we can find we can fight against them. Hey everyone, this is Rajan and this is the third day of learning English with me, and this is the third day of challenge. And right now I am in a field, so you can see my background, and this is the plant of mustard. We are getting mustard oil from this tree. And you know, today is a very special day. Today we all are celebrating Republic Day. And you know, when it started and why we are celebrating Republic Day, of course you know, but still I will tell you in this video. We have been celebrating this festival from last 76 years, and today is 77 year of this festival. And you know why we celebrate it? Now I will tell you in this video. So before 1915, we had not our policies, we had not our governing system. So we were following Britisher rule, we were following Britisher governing system. After that, our educated leader, our educated politician made new policies, made new governing system. So right now we all are following our Indian rule and Indian governing system. That's the reason we are celebrating this festival. And you know, this festival we celebrate because we can remind us our duty and our rights. And you know, constitution is a very important, and constitution gives us right to raise our voice against of victim. We can raise our voice against of terrorist. We can raise our voice against of corrupt leader. So constitution gives us that kind of right where no one can dominate on us. On the basis of constitution, we can fight, we can fight against them. And sorry for my pronunciation, and yeah, gradually I will improve, but right now I fumble a lot, so sorry for that. I hope you will forgive me. And you can see my background. Yeah, so that's the reason we all are celebrating Republic Day, and today is a very special day. So have you eaten jalebi or not? Let me know in comment section. Tell me in comment section, have you eaten jalebi or not? Because I have eaten today, and jalebi is our national sweets. So definitely we should eat. And you can see my background, how it looks, and you can comment me in the background. You can comment me how it looks. And right now I'm in a field, so I thought let's fulfill my challenge, and it was the third day of my challenge. And guys, like my video and subscribe my channel, and I will meet you in the next video. And till then, bye.